Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs blog here. Today our topic is all about Morden Immigration Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program, Mpnp. If you're new in my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you're notified if I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. Morden is a smaller Canadian city, all about 10,000 residents, located in the heart of the continent. Morden is a growing prairie city with a plenty of opportunity to get involved with the community. Morden has welcomed many newcomers through Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program and various other programs, helping them to successfully settle into the local education system and the local economy and into the community life. Why Morden? Morden prides itself on the providing a vibrant community with an extraordinary quality of life that will inspire youth senses, boosting world-class events such as Corn and Apple Festival, full medical services and Agassiz Medical Center, and the Boundary Trails Hospital, and modern conference and recreation facilities at the Access Event Center. Modern centers cater to all needed and lifestyles. How to migrate to Morden? On Morden Community-Driven Immigration Initiative, MCDII. First, what is the eligibility and qualification on this program? If you are a mechanic, welder, cook, industrial painter, these are the eligibility on the program. First criteria is at least 2 years plus a recent experience as a targeted occupation. Second one is 2 years of general IELTS test, a minimum score of 5. It means that your listening, reading, writing, and speaking is score of 5. They have an age limit on this, at least 21 to 45 years old. And you don't need a connection in any parts of Canada, like friends and relatives, and even your previous employment or the education. This is a good opportunity for you guys to apply. Number 5 is have a post-secondary education or training program. And if you have a diploma, certificate, or any degree, you can also, even if you are a 2-year course, you can also apply on this. Settlement funds. Manitoba's required settlement funds. Again, lots of people are asking me about settlement funds. And again, this settlement funds, you're going to use this one in your daily expenses, your rent, and any other. That's why they need a settlement funds when you migrate to Canada. So all of those money, you can see the chart of how much you need per person. Number 7 here is no express entry profile needed, and this is an advantage program that you can apply. The second criteria on this program, if you are a heavy equipment mechanic, a welder, a mechanic assembler, like a trailer assembler, industrial painter, massage therapist, this is your criteria. Number 1, at least 2 years of full-time work experience in the past 5 years in an MCDII target occupation. This is the NOC code 7312, a heavy equipment mechanic with experience of a large truck and agricultural equipment. No express entry required. NOC 7237, welder, no express entry required. NOC 3236, a massage therapist, express entry required. NOC 9536, industrial painter. No express entry required. NOC 9526, mechanical assembler, especially on those trailer assembler. No express entry required. The NOC 9537, woodworking mechanic operator. No express entry required. Again, the second criteria on this is must have a Federal Express Entry profile, which will be a CLB, a language score of 7. It's a little bit higher, guys, but you can do it. And again, the educational that it should be certified in the WIS and EQES and equivalent. And again, see on the website the details of the Express Entry profile. Number 3, again, if you are 21 and 45 years old. Number 4, you don't need to have connections in any other parts of Canada. Friends, again, and relatives. So you don't need those guys. You can apply. And again, if you're done on this program, you can move to anywhere. You can move to Calgary if you like. You can move to Vancouver, Toronto, wherever you like, as long as you already have a permanent resident in Canada. Number 5 here is that have a complete post-secondary education or any training program, certificate or diploma, a 2-year course or a vocational course. You can get this one. Number 6 is, again, settlement funds. This is one of the requirements in Manitoba Provincial nominee program. What are the application process on this Morden community-driven immigration initiative? It's a support program for those who will apply for a permanent resident in Morden. Through the Manitoba Provincial nominee program, if an applicant is not able to qualify on their own to apply for Manitoba Provincial nominee, for example, with the support letter of the friends and family members, you can apply for initiative for a support letter. We choose approximately 50 families per year to be support, and approximately a 5% applicant received per year. Here's the steps to apply on this program. First one is determine whether you are qualified for this program. The second one is apply. The third one, if you are chosen by the MCDII, you will be given an invitation to come for an exploratory visit. Number 4, during your exploratory visit, you will research Morden and prepare for interview with the Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program Officer at the end of the visit. Number 5, after the interview with the Manitoba Provincial Officer, he or she, and again, if you are fit on this Manitoba or the MCDII and the Manitoba Provincial Nominee, they'll give you an invitation to apply for the Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program. Number 6, you can apply online for Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program, usually if you're already back home. And then number 7, after you review by the Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program, it is determined that you are meet all the qualifications of this program. You will be given a nomination letter from the Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program. Number 8, using this nomination letter, you can apply for a federal processing. Number 9, Citizenship and Immigration Canada will do further review, including your medical, including your criminal records. And number 10, once you receive your permanent residence visa, you can make an arrangement for you and your family to move to Morden. This is just an advice, guys. If you are applying to Canada, please use their website, the www.cic.gc.ca. And also, at the moment that we're staying home, please try to research more about tips and tricks on how to take an IELTS exam, And then if you're ready, then take the exam. And then that's about it, guys. And again, if you have any question or suggestion, please comment below. And you can also share my previous videos to your friends and relatives that are planning to apply to Canada. Thank you for watching. This is NoyTebs. Have a wonderful day and God bless everyone.